Welcome back to the vlog. Today is the first day back to school. The kids have all gone back to school. I dropped them off this morning, and now we are going to go do some fun stuff today. So we're off to TG Graphics. I got to pick up some more white vinyl and some pre-mask to finish off a few custom orders for the Royal Rally, and then we are heading down to Elite Auto Styling, where Steve with the GT3RS, Ghost GT3RS on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram right here. Go give him a follow. Check out his GT3RS. The thing is amazing. But he's having some custom work done, and we're gonna throw his Royal Rally decals on while he's working on it, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. So if you want to check out Elite Auto Styling's shop and you want to see what Steve is going to be doing to his GT3RS, keep watching. Don't go away. Okay, TG Graphics done. Got some pre-mask and vinyl, and now we are gonna go get a coffee because I've yet to have a coffee today, and I don't know how I've made it so far. So let's go get McDonald's coffee, and we'll hit the road down to Elite Auto Styling. Well guys, we're here at not Elite Auto Works anymore. It's Elite Auto Styling. So if you're searching for them on Instagram or Facebook, Elite Auto Styling. But we got the wing off the GT3RS. I got all of the Royal Rally decals installed. Had a schedule, one more car down. So expect to see this guy in 2 weeks at the Royal Rally Thunder Run. Again, we don't know where we're going, we don't know what we're doing, but it should be an adventure. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see this car plus 80 more supercars, crazy cars on this Royal Rally. But we're just waiting for some material to do the other task that they're going to be doing to Steve's car, and keep watching if you guys want to see what the transformation's going to be on the GT3RS. So, Brandon's got this area prepped, and like I've said before on the vlog, prep is the key. If you don't prep it properly, you're going to be doing the job again. So do it right the first time and you'll have less problems. Or even better, if you don't want to do it yourself, come to Elite Auto Styling and he'll do it for you. Then you're getting it done right the first time. Trust me guys, this may look easier than it is, but it's not. If you want to attempt this, make sure you have a lot of spare material, because without the practice, you're probably going to end up doing it over and over again. So he's pulling the fine line tape to make a nice clean edge like this one, and it trims the vinyl without having to use a knife against the paint. Knifeless tape. So he's got just about the bottom all wrapped up, done, trimmed around the attachments, and then now when he brings the other side around, you won't see this seam. It'll be almost impossible to see. But I have to head off and go deal with kids. But if you want to see the finished product, then you have to go follow Brandon on Instagram. I'll put his link below. And you should also go follow Steve at Ghost GT3RS. Go give these two guys a follow and see what the final product of the modification is. Surprise, surprise. We come to Tuesday night's Euro Cars and Coffee. We snuck in, parked beside Sean in the secondary lot. Yes, there's pylons, but we sneaked through. So Steve's car from earlier today, which we were seeing being wrapped, is finished, and he brought it today. So let's go check it out, and I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like. So, as I promised, Steve's wing is finished, and he went with the new styling. What do you guys think? So, do you like the white, or do you like the black with the gloss black on top? Which one would you prefer? I have to say the matte black with the gloss black on top is perfect. Well guys, that concludes today's Euro Cars and Coffee wrapping of the GT3RS, putting the Royal Rally decals on. Let me know, white spoiler or black spoiler? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.